What I want to show today is a way to make it easier for your mom if she's having trouble speaking the commands, such as a long involved thing like play Heartland on Netflix on Chromecast TV or something like that. To make it simple and just do a thing like, okay Google, Heartland.
Playing video number 1. Okay, Heartland from Netflix. Playing on Office TV.
And the way I did that was just using Google Home Routines to take a short command and translate it into a long spoken command. So that's pretty easy. Okay, Google, stop. But if she's having trouble with that, or you have some longer ones, some of the YouTube names are kind of long. So let me show you what else that you can do. Here, in addition to those routines, I've used some Google action blocks to pull up the video.
Video 2.
Playing video number 2.
What that did is translate that long name into just a short click on the screen there. So you can do it like that. And the beauty of this is, since it's Google Home Routines, you can change them by logging into her account and changing what the tap on the screen does or what a short phrase does. You can do that from your home. You don't have to travel. Now let's say she still has trouble touching the screen or even saying the short commands. I have another way, that is these buttons here. These are Flic buttons. I'm going to speak Bluetooth to this tablet, which will then speak to a Google Home Mini. Let's try that out.
Okay, Google, video number 1.
Playing video number 1. Okay, Heartland from Netflix. Playing on Office TV.
And it's as simple as that. What I did is I picked one that has a lot of episodes.
Calendar, use Flic buttons to play videos. Calendar, use Flic buttons to play videos 2 p.m.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Anyway, so you can pull up a long-running series like that for her. You can change them, what they are. You don't have to touch the buttons or the action blocks. Just change the routines remotely. And makes it real easy for your mom to then enjoy her series in Netflix or some background videos that you put up for some background video.